Welcome to my channel. Subscribe now. Enjoy all video.
Another generation Mazda 3 is presently 5 years old, so naturally, the automaker is prepping its replacement, which will face some hard competition in the small segment. It shouldn't have any problems in appealing to new buyers, though, if it looks anything like the Kai concept shown at the Tokyo Electric Motor Show last year, the sexy study is now touching European soil for the first time in Geneva. It remains the same as its debut in Japan, and that is a good thing, because, well, just look at it. This has a striking occurrence with a clean outside, and it's simply stunning from any angle. We all have to hand it to the Mazda designers, because they have created something truly interesting here. Now, if only it would remain the same when it hits creation, but well, you know it most likely won't. When compared to current Mazda 3, the Kai concept has a little bit longer wheelbase. Thus, room for leg for the rear travelers should be improved, and those inside can get to appreciate the brand's latest and greatest technologies. All of us don't know when the new Mazda 3 will turn up, but exactly like its forerunner, it will be available in two body styles, compact and sedan. The two will share everything, up to the C-pillar, including a new generation of Sky-active engines. Despite using a new suit-ready, as well as a different interior, the new Mazda 3 could sit on the same architecture as this model's